Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic. नमस्कार
నమస్తే
नमस्कार
వణకం
खुशामदीद
సలాం అలైకుం
सत श्री अकाल
మీకు అందరికీ వందనము
जय स्वामी नारायण
जय श्री कृष्ण
जय जिनेन्द्र
हमारे समाली भाई बंधुओं को बोल दे याली मिदाद
मोराली मतलब बोलते हुए सारे फीजी बंधु नीसा मुल्ला बरजान हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारे मैं सिर्फ आलतू द बाबा
and of course myself फालतू रानी बंधुजानी लेकर आपके लिए और ड्राइव टाइम शो टोटली एक्साइटिंग एंड मस्तानी बंधुजानी
That's right, बंधुजान. Of course, जब तक मैं इसको वेट कर रहा था, मैं आपको बोल दूं कि आज का शो is going to be total double impact for you guys.
अल्लाह
You know why double impact फालतू नहीं?
भाई आलतू बाबा
Guess कर. Impact एक impact के बारे में बात करते हैं, right?
हाँ
What about one impact? Okay, what is a single impact?
Single
when you
impact?
have somebody who's really, what do you call that? Single impact is when you have one impactful person there, right? Like Altu Baba. When Altu Faltu both are there, what's it called?
डबल ट्रबल
Exactly, double impact. And आज है बंजन आपके लिए we're bringing you a Tuesday show which actually we call बहुत प्यार से बंजन called as double trouble Tuesdays.
डबल ट्रबल ट्यूसडेज
Yes, फालतू
मतबल
मतबल जहाँ पे हमारे फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के जो भी एक्टर्स है राइट
हाँ
दे हैव अपीयर्ड इन डबल रोल्स
ओके
एंड ये डबल रोल क्यों सोच रहा आप लोगों का क्या बिकॉज आई टेल यू व्हाट आई थिंक व्हाट्स हैपनिंग ग्लोबली आल्सो राइट देयर इज दिस पर्टिकुलर गाय हु इज रनिंग नॉर्थ कोरिया आई हैव अ वेरी स्ट्रांग फीलिंग उसका भी कोई डबल रोल वहाँ पे हुआ है
रियली
या आई हैव अ वेरी स्ट्रांग फीलिंग इज एक्चुअली इज whoever he's saying he is not who he is.
Excuse me, what? Excuse me, go ahead again, what?
Whoever he's saying he is not who he is.
You sound like somebody that I don't want to say who he is.
Yeah, but you know who he is. Everybody knows who he is.
Who is he?
Who's the person you're talking about?
Who am I talking about? I don't know.
Hey, you're talking about our thing, right? Nityananda, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, anyways. But the point is, Banjit is as confusing as what they want to make it to be. And let me tell you, आपको यहाँ पे कॉल करने का नंबर दे देता हूँ आपको अभी भी मुझे it's 4089122479 स्टूडियो में डायल करने का नंबर वही है and yes welcome मेल पांचो साहब and also दीपक जी welcome to you as well आप लोगों का हार्दिक स्वागत है हमारा आज का पैम पैम शो पे and it's called Double Trouble Tuesdays.
हाँ.
You know why फालतू
हाँ भाई.
Because जब भी एक नहीं दो नहीं डबल हीरोइंस आते हैं ना स्क्रीन becomes double impacted.
आलतू बाबा
Yes.
जब तू बोल रहा है डबल इम्पैक्ट अभी आलतू एंड फालतू वे टू डिफरेंट इंडिविजुअल्स एंड वी हैव डबल द
Hey,
इम्पैक्ट
Faltani, we are two different individuals, but aren't we the same?
No, we're not. No, we're not.
That's more handsome than you. But same time, you're more beautiful than me.
अच्छा.
See?
हाँ.
That's why I said we are different, but we are similar.
Appa, what did you just say? Did you just say something nice to me?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I said I'm more handsome than you, but of course, same time, you are more beautiful than me.
अच्छा.
Right? That's the difference, right?
हाँ.
But same time, similarity also, Faltwadi. That's what's the beautiful thing about it. Now, double trouble जो बोलता हूँ ना, Faltwadi, one thing is there. I've always seen one thing is, आज के ज़माने में that particular concept of double acting नहीं आ रहा है.
हाँ.
It was always in the previous time. Now, I think 2000 actually brought in a time when people realized, oh, yes, identical twins typically are not very identical.
Huh?
Yes. Don't look at me, Father. So, today's show is going to be a Father reaction show. Kya Father, everything okay? What's the thing you had? You're having a cold coffee drink in your hand, is it?
So what?
Cold
man?
coffee is not good for you, Father. Your eyes are watering and all stuff.
No, there's something happening with one of my eyes. Anyway, never mind.
Anyway, Braja, let me tell you, हमारे फालतूनी को नजर उतारना पड़ेगा कोई आके है फालतूनी
हाँ.
नजर उतारे तरह कोई
हाँ. क्यों? Oh my God, ये सब क्या हो रहा है? बाप रे आलतू.
क्या हो रहा है की बात नहीं फालतूनी मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ कि क्या होने वाला है आज का शो पे
हाँ बोलो.
Right, double impact show pe I'm talking about how double acting is actually a gone case. Like no longer do we actually have any stories having double acting in it.
Right. Okay.
Because people have become wise. People understand what genetics are.
Okay.
Okay. Now I'll tell you, 2000 से लेके अब तक
हाँ.
there haven't been any double acting roles.
Right.
Well, actually, no, there have been.
बहुत सारे हुए हैं.
They have been. They have been.
A lot of.
We'll talk about it, Balja. We'll talk about that also. And again, आपको अगर well, actually, most popular movies double acting always in the yesteryears, where the hero or the heroine thought that they can do justice to one more role because there's so much of talent in them. They want to explore one more role because double acting में क्या होता है ना फालतू it is not one character but two characters the actors got to portray.
Correct.
Not one, right? Now, मिसाल के तौर पे one of the biggest double acting roles of all time, right? There are multiple movies. Hero ही नहीं, heroines भी double acting करते थे. Now, let's do one thing. How about you play a song from a particular movie? Falsati, what happened here?
Mel Panchasam is saying something. He's saying sometimes we feel like you guys really don't know each other.
That's very true. We really don't know each other. Yes.
Yeah, that's true.
And actually, there's no qualms about it. We really know that we don't know each other.
Yeah, we don't know each other at all.
Yeah,
at all. It's just that sometimes.
But we know that about each other.
Yeah. Sometimes we know this about each other that we kind of can finish each other's
sentences.
Yeah.
That was really close, Pathwani. Well, Pansab, thank you so much for that. Sometimes it has to be that way. So you can't be like you knowing everything about everybody. You can't. It's actually technically impossible for anybody to know everything about somebody.
I know, and you know what's scary, Alta Baba? After now we're on our 11th year on radio right now, right? I was shocked. It's just to give us a length of time, right? I today remember there was we'd done this Jai Ho Idol karke ek talent show kiya tha. The first ones to do it, by the way, Banajan over here. And in that there was a child who had participated who was 5.5 years old. Today he celebrated his 16th birthday. I was like, oh my God, seriously? I cannot believe, because I distinctly remember Mahima ji saying, this kid, what is a 5.5-year-old standing on stage and singing Roop Tera Mastana?
Yeah, he sang very well also, by the way.
Yeah, it's so cute.
I don't know, I really want to know how he looks 16 years afterwards, 10 years after that.
What, you didn't see the Facebook photos?
I didn't, I'm not, generally I'm working at the time, so I don't know.
Be quiet, okay, be quiet.
Bel Pancho Saab, sometimes you feel you don't know anything about each other, that's true.
Yeah, okay,
I
fine.
agree with you.
Anyway, sorry, I didn't mean to take away from that. I'm just saying that
but
after 10 years,
right?
we should be able to, figure out. We still don't know each other. And that's a good thing, I think. In a way, it's a good thing.
Hey, trust me, it's a really good thing.
Yeah.
I don't want anything about Pathwani. It'll be shocking.
There's not much to know, Banajan. I'm an open book.
Written in Chinese.
What? Then you cannot read. Then you have to decide which dialect. Is it Hokkien, Hakka, Mandarin?
Oh, there's something called pressure cookers also, that?
What?
Hawkins pressure cooker, no?
Hawkins nahi. Hey Bhagwan. Hokkien is a dialect. Hokkien. It's not Hawkins.
Okay, well, ready. Let me do this. Let me start off the show today
Okay.
with a song. And this particular song, everybody should know. Who the Double Trouble is, or who are the Double Troubles in this, right? Now, the number to call is 408-912-2479. वैसे तो हम लोग आपको गाना लगाएंगे, आपके लिए गाना लगाएंगे, और आपको बोलना पड़ेगा कि इसमें Double Trouble कौन है, right? This is going to be a little bit difficult for the people who don't follow old movies, and a little bit easy for people who actually follow old movies. But I'm also going to make it easy for people who actually follow new movies, and difficult for people who don't follow new movies.
Oh my God, this is like that inside is outside, outside is inside. Okay, that's fine.
So, hey. So here you go. I'm gonna play a song right now. Now you gotta tell me which who's the heroine who was acted in this thing, showcasing the talent of acting on two roles. Huh? क्या फालतू ने क्या हुआ था क्यों ऐसे हंस रही है?
एक और बंदू बोल रहे हैं, where do you come up with these things? Open book written in Chinese.
That's what I caught. She's a good book though. That's what you should know. Anyway, Faltani, let's not waste any more time. This particular hero was top-notch hero of her time. That's why she was able to squeeze, or rather, to twist the elbow of the producer to make her act in double role.
Acha.
Right? And this particular heroine, कौन है? आपको बोलना पड़ेगा by calling here on today's Double Trouble Tuesdays. We're talking about only double roles, but double roles की बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग, तो कॉल कीजिएगा 4089122479. ये फिल्म है जो है is a very nice movie. This is a song which is actually music direction by R.D. Burman. Very famous. Many of our bandus who come to Geet Gach like sing the song. Lyrics by Anand Bakshi Saab. Aapko milega who is the heroine who has done a double role in this one? Jan 40891222479. अगर साथ में आप मुझे कॉल कर बताएं कि स्टोरी क्या है, that'll be even fun.
हवा के साथ साथ
अरे रे रे
घटा के संग संग
संभलना
हवा के साथ साथ घटा के संग संग ओ साथी चल
मुझे लेके साथ चल तू यूं ही दिन रात चल तू संभल मेरे साथ चल तू ले हाथों में हाथ चल तू ओ साथी चल
मुझे लेके साथ चल तू यूं ही दिन रात चल तू संभल मेरे साथ चल तू ले हाथों में हाथ चल तू ओ साथी चल एक तो ये मौसम है बड़ा सुहाना ला 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 एक तो ये मौसम है बड़ा सुहाना ते अपना दिल भी है दीवाना
पर्वत से आके ना टकरा जाना तू बन के बादल ओ साथी चल
What a beautiful song composition by R.D. Burman sir, and of course RDB का आवाज किशोर कुमार and also आशा भोसले बच्चन. Beautiful song. अगर आपने पहचान लिया कौन है हीरोइन जहाँ पे जिसने इस पर्टिकुलर फिल्म में डबल रोल निभाया, कॉल कीजिएगा 40891222479 40891222479.
हंसती है ये दुनिया तो हंसने दे ला 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 ला
ला ला ला ला
हंसती है ये दुनिया तो हंसने दे हर नागन बन के इस रुत को डसने दे
ओ मुझको अपनी आंखों में बसने दे तू बन के काजल ओ साथी चल
ओहो कमान पायल शर्मा जी कितना की शर्माते हो, और मालूम है आपके लास्ट नेम में शर्मा, लेकिन शर्मा मत. कॉल कीजिएगा यहीं पे 4089122479. फेसबुक पे आंसर आ गया लेकिन मैं लेने वाला नहीं हूँ. भजन ये फिल्म एक्चुअली came almost like around 40 years ago. It was like
Just 40? उससे ज्यादा ना यार.
1972 something like that. Well, who's counting details, Father? Come on, you also, huh? 3 decades, 4 decades happened. Let's go up on the waiting line. Who knows the answer for this particular question? Who is the heroine who is total double trouble in the movie? Hi, namaskar. आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम के डबल ट्रबल ट्यूसडे में. Hello, hi.
Hello, Pam Pam जी.
पैम on nice Tuesday. मैं राज.
ओहो राज जी कैसे हैं आप?
बहुत बढ़िया.
वेरी गुड राज जी, आप सही शो पे कॉल किया आपने. यू कॉल्ड ऑन शो कॉल्ड डबल ट्रबल ट्यूसडेज एंड वी टॉकिंग अबाउट हाउ डबल रोल्स हमारे इंडियन सिनेमा में बहुत साल चल रही है, बहुत साल से, right? Ever since they actually understood how to make split screen in video editing, they actually started doing double trouble. Yeah. In fact, before split screen also they did it many a times. But the question for you is, आपको बोलना पड़ेगा इसमें जो हीरोइन है जिन्होंने डबल रोल किया है, कौन थी वो?
कौन थी वो?
इमाम आदमी सीता और गीता.
सीता गीता. आपको ये सीता गीता का थोड़ा स्टोरी मालूम है? Can you share with us?
बिल्कुल मालूम है. इसको फिल्म को मैंने 2 बार देखा था.
Okay. क्यों? पहली बार समझ नहीं आया?
सीता, I think सीता either one of them बहुत bold है, very aggressive.
तो obviously not
And,
सीता. सीता very docile, right?
दूसरी बिल्कुल जैसे बिल्कुल माइल्ड और बिल्कुल पोलाइट.
Okay.
कुछ भी नहीं है उसको. तो the bold girl aggressive that helps the other one.
Okay. Helps the other one to come out of some trouble, right?
Some trouble, yeah.
So they also show they look alike, but their personality, 2 different personalities, correct?
two different personalities.
हाँ, one is very polite, other one is like very like फालतू. Correct. गुड्डी. अरे गुड्डी की बात करता है, मतलब rowdy style. हाँ.
अच्छा.
Like in our case, फालतू. We are like, if you were twins, so I'll be like Sita, you'll be like Geeta.
All right.
Yeah. I'm very docile,
and you're
nice.
the one. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, and you'll make comments like क्यों दूसरी बार क्यों देखा, पहली बार समझ में नहीं आया टाइम.
मतलब क्वेश्चन था, लेकिन उन्होंने आंसर दे किया, अलग बात है. But sir, very good. तो देखो, actually उस जमाने में that's what it's always propagate. आपके लाइफ में कोई do you know any twins sir?
हाँ.
राज जी.
मेरे जो डबल ट्रबल की बात कर रहे हैं ना, तो मेरे माइंड में एक थोड़ी ओल्डर मूवी ध्यान में आ रही है, अंगूर.
कौन?
हाँ, लेकिन आपकी निजी लाइफ में
आपकी निजी लाइफ में
निजी लाइफ में आपकी कोई मुलाकात हुई डबल ट्रबल से?
निजी लाइफ में डबल ट्रबल से हमारे घर में ही है. मेरी दो नीसेज हैं.
Wow! Are they identical or are they like what do they call the paternal twins? Fraternals बोलते हैं क्या? I don't know फातोनी. I'm not a person like you. मुझे इतना इंग्लिश नहीं आती है. मुझे बस जुड़वा मालूम है. हमारे इस हिंदी में सिंपल होता है जुड़वा. Simple. No two.
They look alike. But again, they look alike. The personality is different.
उन दोनों में कौन है सीता, कौन है गीता?
हे भगवान. सर खामखा प्रॉब्लम खड़ा करेगा अभी.
Okay, fine. Don't have to answer that. So anyways, good. So देखो, actually it happens pretty much in everybody's life. They know one twins at least. One of the twins. Okay.
Yeah.
But wonderful, sir. Thank you so much for sharing with us. आपको आज का शो मजा आएगा. Definitely stay tuned because health issues coming up. We're going to do part 2 of the coronavirus scare.
Yeah, with Dr. Ronnie Sinha and Prerna Uppal. तो सुनते रहिएगा. We do have a very, very interesting segment coming up. उसके बाद we'll continue the Double Trouble Wednesdays right here on the Pam Pam Show. Thank you, Raji, for tuning in.
Thank you. And of course, Bhajan, उन ज़माने में तो I think 70s, right? 70s actually they had more heroines who wanted to do double roles. Yeah, फालतू. You know that?
No.
हम अभी गाना लगाएंगे of another movie, which actually is. Well, देखो ये स्टोरी में क्या था, सीता गीता का स्टोरी जो है फालतू नहीं, is like the Cinderella, something like that, you know, something like that. It was wherein the Geeta comes in and she saves Sita because Sita is being ill-treated by.
Are they separated at birth and all
they
that?
They supposedly are.
Oh, they're actual sisters.
They're actual sisters.
It's not like doppelgangers.
No, not doppelgangers. Okay. Doppelgangers will come next time. We're talking doppelgangers तक आएंगे next hour में, लेकिन अभी तो we're talking only about twins, जुड़वे, right? Double troubles. Now, when they get together is when actually things happen, and I think Sanjeev Kumar is supposed to marry Sita, but falls for Geeta. And who's the other person I forget?
Who's the other hero? That's what I wanted to ask.
You always cut off.
You cut me off. I wanted to ask Raji ki who's the other hero. Okay, never mind.
You never asked.
Is it Dharmender? No.
I don't think so. Oh, no way.
Why? What? No way. Oh, that time Sanjeev Kumar was strong, right?
Dharmendra is still getting there. Dharmendra already is married. Sanjeev Kumar is single and available.
Yeah, and he was crazy about him only at that time. Yeah,
he was.
Yeah, poor thing.
But anyways, she really took him on a roller coaster ride, I suppose.
Yeah.
No, I'm not talking about rollerblades ride. She took him on a roller coaster ride, I suppose.
Whoa.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, coming back to the point of our show to Double Trouble. फालतू क्या हुआ? क्या तेरे को ट्रम्प का मैसेज आया क्या?
नहीं, ट्रम्प के बारे में एक मैसेज आया.
क्या है वो? Come on, share with us, please. You want to know.
The message is, oh God.
क्या इसका watch पे आता सही में क्या show off करती है?
In an extraordinary development for a criminal case, a judge is letting others weigh in on the Trump administration's request to drop Michael Flynn's case. Surprise development.
Surprise development. It's good for television. That's all. Any version that's TRP के लिए कर रहा है वो judge और कुछ नहीं. Must be one of his own judges itself because they all rely on that, right? Now everybody wants to have. Importance.
Correct.
Right. Anyway, Jyoti ji, welcome to the show, and people are joining us on Facebook. Stay tuned. We're going to go into our segment pretty soon. But फालतू नहीं. You know, ऐसे ही similar statement, similar mode में एक और film आई थी, wherein there was a docile sibling and a fiery sibling.
Really feisty
sibling.
Almost bad girl.
Bad girl sibling.
Yeah.
Now, Baduje, we're not going to ask you a question about it. We're going to play a song for you.
A beautiful song from that movie, Baduje, and I think every song in this movie was a hit.
Yeah. Hey, wait. Baduje, waiting. Let's go ask them the question what you asked.
Okay. Hello, Pam Pam. कौन है जी?
Hello.
अबे यार.
Next time I'll pick up the call.
गब्बर सिंह क्या कर गया जो डर गया. चलो वो कर गया.
क्या?
तो अभी लगाओ गाना.
लगाना प्लीज. लगा रे.
जाए रे जा तू डोली और लहर बहना तू पायल और नदी दिखा तू दर्पण और किरण ओढ़ा तू आंचल एक जोगन है बनी आज दुल्हन हो उड़ जाए कहीं बन के पवन हो आज मदहोश हुआ जाए रे मेरा मन मेरा मन मेरा मन
शरारत करने को ललचाए रे मेरा मन मेरा मन मेरा मन यहाँ हमें जमाना देखे
तो
आओ चलो कहीं छुप जाए
अच्छा
यहाँ हमें जमाना देखे आओ चलो कहीं छुप जाए भीगा भीगा नशीला दिन है कैसे कहो कैसे रह पाए मेरी मैं हूँ तेरा तेरी कसम हो
मैं तेरी तू है मेरा मेरी कसम हो आज मदहोश हुआ जाए
And that a beautiful song is from one of those yesteryear movies, Manujan. जहाँ पे एक और heroine is on the double, मतलब is playing a double role. And उसका आंसर हम लोग next hour में लेंगे. फिलहाल हमने आपको बताया था that we'll be going into a segment with Dr. Ronesh Sinha and also Prerna Uppal from the Palo Alto Medical Foundation to talk a little bit more about COVID-19.
That's right, Manujan. Are you done? Because you already are on air with
Oh,
us.
sorry. Sorry, Dr. Sinha. I was trying to build that.
No problem.
Yeah, she was trying all the special effects right now. That's right. Yeah.
Yeah. So, how are you doing, Dr. Sinha? How are you, Prerna?
Doing great.
Good, thanks.
Doing well. We wanted to actually thank you for bringing that segment last week, Prerna, because that became like what do you call our Zoom table conversations.
That's true, yeah.
With
We've been
a lot
talking, and all over the weekend we've been talking about it. No?
Yeah.
And it's important. I think that's why we should bring this show again,
Yeah.
part 2 of the show. Correct?
Yeah, absolutely. We were talking about shopping. So, for the benefit of all our bandhus, let me just quickly share that this week we are going to be discussing in more detail what we discussed last week about with how the coronavirus is changing the way we eat. So, do one of you want to recap the subject matter of this particular topic?
Sure. Prerna, do you want to go ahead since I missed out on your great episode last week? You can start.
Okay, sure. So, we were just talking last week about how COVID is changing the way we eat. And as people are stocking up and going grocery shopping, we find with our patients that they tell us how they're scared of eating a lot of fresh produce because they fear that they will contract the virus from fresh fruits and vegetables.
Mm-hmm.
So people are eating a lot more canned food. And we just want to reassure our bandhus and patients that there is no evidence right now that COVID-19 is transmitted through food. And we want you to be choosing fruits and vegetables. We talked about how they're high in micronutrients. So that is a food group you definitely do not want to compromise on. Dr.
I totally agree. I've had a similar situation with many of the patients I've talked to. And I think the really good piece of news, and we can cover this separately, is people have become more physically active. I'm very happy to hear that because they're not commuting back and forth between work. They're walking more. They're getting more steps in, and I'm so happy to hear that. But definitely, as Prerna said, the diet, sometimes people are not necessarily eating the right foods or a little bit afraid to get the produce. They're eating more of a carb-heavy diet. So if we can optimize and fine-tune that diet in conjunction with increased activity, the possibilities are endless. I mean, increased energy, reversing disease conditions, all that's possible. But the diet really has to be dialed in.
Absolutely. So, Banujan, today we're also going to be opening up the phone lines in case you have questions. You can also post on the video that you're watching right now. That's Dr. Sinha and that's Prerna on that particular video that you're watching
Yeah,
over here. So if you would like to call in, the number is 408-912-2479. If you want to post your questions for us on Facebook, on whichever watch party you're watching it on, and then you're more than welcome to post it there. If we don't get to your question, then you can always call into the studios, 408-912-2479.
Again, 408-91279. So last week we talked about people trying to going shopping and trying to find out how they could actually how they can be safe while shopping and everything, Prerna. So we did talk about the normal habits, what you could do to make sure you don't actually one, contaminate the place if at all you have the virus, and second thing, you actually get the virus from the place. So can you elaborate more on that today if possible?
Yeah, so one of my suggestions was that when you go grocery shopping, don't touch a lot of the foods, because if all of us made that effort to just pick what we touch, we're reducing the risk of just contaminating anything.
Mm-hmm.
But also when you bring the produce home, FDA recommends that you just wash it with warm water for 20 seconds. So you really don't need to be dousing it with soap or any antibacterial solutions. The fruit and vegetables are definitely safe to eat. We want you to eat them. And even if you buy the frozen variety, they're very healthy, almost as healthy as the fresh. We want you to not give up that food group.
Right. So, Prerna, one thing that I did want to ask, which was a question that got left behind the last time, there is, you get something called, one of our bandhus had asked, they get these dehydrated fruits. What is your take on that? I mean, which is, pre-packaged dehydrated fruits. Is that safe to consume at this time? And a lot of them apparently come from Mexico. So that was a question that got left behind last time. So they wanted to know if it's okay to consume those.
Right. So frozen food is fine. Dehydrated foods, you have to really watch out, especially if you're talking about dehydrated fruit, for instance. You can buy dehydrated blueberries. Look at the label. It is laden with sugar.
Wow.
So keep in mind that you want to read those packages. I'm not a fan of packaged foods and processed foods. Frozen foods do not come under that category. So watch out for the extra oils and sugars that are used in those dehydrated fruits. Now, if they're dehydrated vegetables that you're buying, which don't have any of this extra unhealthy additives, then you could use them. But I prefer fresh and then frozen.
I totally agree. The dehydrated fruits and veggies, you're actually removing bioavailable nutrients from that. It is still a form of processing that food. And I got to say that I've talked before about glucose. I went through an experiment for a few months where I was wearing a continuous glucose monitor and seeing what different foods were doing to my body. And I found that I did this experiment because a lot of my bandhus are eating dried mangoes from Trader Joe's. It was I might as well be eating a candy bar. The dried fruits from Costco or from Trader Joe's or any of these stores, it is literally like eating sugar. So don't kid yourself into thinking you're eating fruit. This is a processed sugar that you're basically eating. So that's the bad news. Now, some of my patients that absolutely love to have these things, one piece of advice I give, and I want to get Prerna's approval on this, is sometimes what I had a patient do, because some of my patients are stubborn. They're like, I'm going to eat this dried mango. I'm like, chop it up into small pieces and mix it into some nuts and make like a trail mix out of it. Not the trail mixes with the M&Ms and candy in it, but you can make your own homemade type. And I actually had another patient today who loves the Haldiram snacks. And I said the same thing. If you're not going to quit the Haldiram snacks, use a very small part of it just so you get the flavor, but then mix it into some fresh nuts and some other things. I don't know, Prerna, you have some tips for a lot of our patients, because a lot of people are doing a lot of stress snacking. So I wonder if you could maybe comment on that. Maybe you have some tips and approaches to help with that.
Yeah, so I agree with the dried fruit or dehydrated fruits. You definitely want to bring in some nuts and proteins. But my go-to for snacks would be that you're really choosing those fresh fruits and vegetables. Make guacamole, have salsa with vegetables. Maybe even make some hummus. There's a lot of other healthier options than sitting and having, the dried sweetened mango or those dried blueberries, which are laden with sugar.
Yeah.
So go for the healthier options.
So, Dr. Sinha, I do have a question. Last week we did address it, but I just want to get your take on this. There's so much of unknown information about the COVID-19 virus and everything. So, scientifically, or the way you see it, is there a possibility that COVID-19 can become foodborne? Can it be transmitted through food at all? What's your thought
Yeah.
on that?
So you're saying with maybe the mutations and things, again, so much is unknown about COVID, but we have had issues with coronaviruses in the past, and it would be unusual but not impossible for it to mutate into a form that'd be easily transmitted through water in the food supply. I think we have so many things to worry about now. I wouldn't really even think about that being a possibility. Let's focus on sort of what we know about the virus now. But you're right, we've got to keep our eye on the ball about these things. But I would say the likelihood of that happening is pretty small. So right now we just want to prioritize, like Prerna said, eating the most nutritious foods possible. Because, theoretically, even if you are getting a little bit of that virus exposure through food, again, if you're eating very antioxidant-rich food, these are therapeutic, almost medicinal type foods. So it's very unlikely that your body and the nutrients that you're getting from that food are not going to be able to counteract some of the impact of that virus. But I think it's pretty unlikely that you're going to get a lot of foodborne exposure through this.
Dr. Sinha, one question that does pop up is, I know that both Prerna and you have been proponents of consuming organic foods and organic veggies. There was a recent scare that came out with regard to even the frozen organic stuff that we find at places like Whole Foods and all these places are actually packaged and sourced from China or from places where there is not that much of a stringent requirement, where the US has no control over that. So the question that I have for you is it still safe at this time to source organic ingredients, or is it just go with anything that is fresh produce?
Prerna, do you want to start and then I'll chip in?
Yeah, I'd say go with local fresh produce as much as possible. Not only are we supporting our local farmers, but again, you're getting food at its source that's harvested the same day off. So farmers markets are still out there, guys. Go ahead and go to those farmers markets, get your fresh produce. I have come across foods such as seaweed, for example, that you can get from either Japan or China. And so yes, you have choices, and obviously you want to pick the healthiest option for yourself, but I'd say go fresh, go to the farmer's market.
Yep. Oh, so sorry, I was just going to add, so I totally agree with Prerna, but I had a patient 2 weeks ago that I saw doing a video visit, and unfortunately her budget has been severely compromised. So she was very worried about price because she just lost her job, unfortunately, as a result of this. So we were talking about organic because she's had some inflammatory disease, and we're focusing on organic. But I reminded her, and this is a resource Prerna's brought up, that there is something we call the dirty dozen, where there are some foods, the top foods that have the most pesticides and should be bought organic. So if you go to EWG, their website, they've got the 2020 Shopper's Guide out. And I'll just give you an example. The top foods that should be bought organic are, number 1 is strawberries. Always buy your strawberries organic. Number 2 is spinach. Number 3 is kale. So most of the green leafy vegetables. Apples almost always makes it to the top. So 4 is nectarines, 5 apples. But these are basically produce that we really should try to buy organic if possible. If you can't do it with all of them, that's perfectly fine, but at least the ones at the top of the list that have the most pesticide infusion, those try to buy organic if you can.
And Bhanujan, that's great advice from Dr. Ronnie Sinha and Prerna Uppal of the Palo Alto Medical Foundation. We are on Health 360 right now on Pam Pam, and we're talking about COVID-19 vegetable shopping or eating and things like that. So if you have questions for Dr. Sinha or Prerna, you can call into the studio right now. The number is 408-912-2479. Again, 408-912-2479. That is the number for you to pick up the phone and give us a call right here. I'm getting a question from Meena on Facebook. She's asking, in Indian cooking, we always steam or we, pressure cook our vegetables. Does it really matter if you're buying organic or not? Is it wrong if we buy from Indian grocery stores as opposed to farmers markets?
Yes. Okay. So we're talking about 2 issues here. One is organic foods don't have a lot of pesticides. So you're buying organic to minimize pesticides. Do you buy that at the Indian store or not? I actually buy a lot of my desi or Indian vegetables at the farmer's market, and they're priced equivalent to what they sell at the store, and I know it doesn't have the pesticides. Now, in terms of how you cook them, steaming versus pressure cooking, or pressure cooking retains more nutrients because you're cooking it in a very short period of time. So yes, buying organic and pressure cooking is the way to go.
So I do have one question from one of our listeners here, and the question is pretty much saying that COVID-19 is a blessing for them, I believe, because they stopped eating outside restaurants. Interesting. But the question is, they used to be able to snack on healthy snacks in offices.
Yeah.
So the question is specifically directed to Prerna to suggest some ideas for snacking. Like I think Dr. Sinha talked about a few minutes ago, and so I think might have got him to think about it. Any ideas you can give for snacking, during the, I don't know what it's called. I think it's work snacks.
Yeah. Hey,
Snacking
Prerna, so I'm going to challenge you because I know it sounds like my own patient, but these are patients who, no matter what I tell them, they're not going to substitute crispy snacks with vegetables and hummus. So do you have something a little bit more savory? Although I agree that if we can do vegetables and fruit, that's great. But do you have any ideas for savory snacks that can really hit the taste buds that's not plants?
Yeah. So, there are some brands where you have less chemicals. So, for instance, there's 4th July is a brand. You can buy their tortilla chips, and they have flax tortilla chips.
Wow.
So again, when you're getting some of these other foods, make sure you're portion controlling them. Don't sit with a big bag of the tortilla chips. I would ration it out and take about 5 or 7 and then have some hummus or salsa to dip it into. What I want the bandhus to do is you're combining something that's not as healthy and is processed with something that is not processed and is natural and laden with micronutrients. So that's one way to do it. The other thing I wanted to sort of just mention is if you're not as active as you were, you're sitting a lot at home because we're all working from home, try and see if you can skip a snack or 2. I don't think we need to be having 3 meals and 2 snacks. So maybe just have 1 snack a day and then make sure that it's balanced.
And there's a quick follow-up to that. What about a protein shake in between is what they're asking. Dr. Sinha, is that something that's recommended?
So, the interesting thing with protein shakes, first of all, I'm not opposed to them as long as it's not like a regular meal replacement. And there are all types of varieties. I always ask people, what type of protein shake are you talking about? Because the ones people are buying, again, are sugar infested. And they're meant for people that are training and doing a lot of heavy weightlifting, not sitting at the computer checking their phones, right? So protein shakes should be on your workout day after you've done some heavy lifting and your muscles are hungry for some protein and you don't have easy access to food protein. But just sitting there and sipping on a chocolate premier protein shake, that's not going to do much good. Prerna, I don't know your thoughts.
No, I agree. We tend to worry a lot about protein. We don't need that much protein unless we're doing a lot of strength training exercises and building muscle. So if you're using protein, make sure it's grass-fed organic whey protein, which has no sugar added. Some of them have stevia that's used, and so that would be fine. But then I would make sure that you're adding some vegetables and nuts, really sort of making sure that you're making it as complete as possible.
And I hope you got that information. There is a ebook that Dr. Sinha has, which is available at bit.ly/COVID resource page. Banajan again, bit.ly/COVID resource page. You could actually download. You need to, there is a box there. You need to enter your email, and then the ebook will be available for you to download, or it'll be sent to you. So definitely go ahead, go to bit.ly. The link is being posted actually on our video right now, bit.ly/COVID resource page. Or if you have general questions regarding your health and well-being, you can reach out to Dr. Sinha and Prerna by going to Dr. Sinha's blog, which is southasianhealthsolution.org, southasianhealthsolution.org, or make an appointment. They are taking tele-appointments through the Sata Health Group. You can go to pamf.org/South Asian. That's pamf.org/South Asian. Dr. Sinha and Prerna, thank you so much for joining us yet again today. We will look forward to learning more from you next week right here on the show. In the meanwhile, have a happy, healthy rest of the week.
Thanks very much. You too. Bye-bye.
Thank you. And of course, Minijan, again, that's bit.ly/COVID resource page. That is the page to go to download information about what to eat, what not to eat, how should you exercise, what should you be doing. Getting all that information, you can go to that page, bit.ly/COVID resource page, or SouthAsianHealthSolution.org. We'll be back in the next hour with more Double Trouble Tuesdays. Stay tuned. Music with the best entertainment, you know, where it keeps getting hotter, and that's Radio D Hotties. And हाँ, मैं आपकी फालतू रानी. सुनते रहिएगा, there's more lovely music that we've lined up for you. Total D Hottie picks.
Hi, this is Anushka Sharma. You're listening to me on Radio De Hotties with Altu Baba and Faltu Rani, where entertainment keeps getting hotter.
अजी ऐसा मौका फिर कहाँ मिलेगा, हमारे जैसा रेडियो कहाँ मिलेगा। आओ तुमको दिखलाता हूँ रेडियो की एक रंगी शाम। बोलो 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 बैम बैम, an evening with बैम बैम। अजी ऐसा मौका फिर कहाँ मिलेगा, हमारे जैसा रेडियो कहाँ मिलेगा। आता हूँ रेडियो की एक रंगी शाम। बोलो 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 बैम बैम, an evening with बैम डायल तुम घुमा लो,
हॉटीज को तुम आजमा लो,
दिन भर की टेंशन भुला दो, जी भर के हंसना हंसा। रेडियो के डायल तुम घुमा लो,
हॉटीज को तुम आजमा लो,
दिन भर की टेंशन भुला दो, जी भर के ऐसा मौका फिर कहाँ मिलेगा, हमारे जैसा रेडियो कहाँ मिलेगा। और तुमको दिखलाता हूँ रेडियो की एक रंगी शाम। बोलो 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 बैम बैम, an evening with बैम
हमको लगा लो,
रेडियो का वॉल्यूम बढ़ा लो, ट्रैफिक ये सर पे चढ़ी है, बिहारीज का साथी बना।
सीने से हमको लगा लो,
रेडियो का वॉल्यूम बढ़ा लो, ट्रैफिक ये सर पे चढ़ी है, बिहारीज को साथी बना लो। अजी ऐसा मौका फिर कहाँ मिलेगा, हमारे जैसा रेडियो कहाँ मिलेगा। और तुमको दिखलाता हूँ
You're listening to Radio D Hotties, powered by Mahima Creations. The views and opinions expressed by the hosts, guests, or callers of this show do not necessarily reflect those of the staff or management of Radio D Hotties. The content broadcast on this show is meant for informational and entertainment purposes only. Top of the morning, Bay, with Good Morning Bay.
Get to know about the traffic on your way and what's news around the world today.
Some wisdom skills along the way.
Oh, and a song to hum along with and sway.
Get your perfect entertaining start to the day.
At 9 a.m. every weekday morning with
Mahima's
Good Morning Bay.
You are listening to Radio D Hotties, powered by Mahima Creations.
Hi, this is Shankar.
Hi, this is Ehsan.
Hi, this is Lloyd. And you're listening to Radio D Hotties.
Radio D Hotties, the best and hottest Indian radio network in the entire world.
Mahima Creations
Proudly present Premier Evening Drive Time Show. Bam bam.
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam bam. Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic.
Bam bam.
Bye-bye. Namaskar.
Namaste.
Namaskara.
Vanakkam.
Khushamadid.
Assalamualaikum.
Sat Sri Akal.
एक अंदर की वंदने में
Jai Swamino Royal.
जय श्री कृष्णा.
Jai Janendra.
हमारे इस्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोल दे याली मदद.
मोलाली मदद बोलते हैं सारे फीजी बंदलों को बोले कि नीसा बुला बटजान हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारे मैसेज फालतू बाबा.
And of course myself Altu Rani लेकर आपके लिए एक और drive time that's going to make it totally exciting and totally मस्तानी बंधुजान.
True that बटजान. आज का शो है Double Trouble Tuesdays.
Double Trouble Tuesdays.
Double Trouble Tuesday में आप सभी लोगों का स्वागत है. And of course we actually talking about movies जहाँ पे हमारे सिनेमा के heroes and heroines suddenly thought, oh my god, I'm so talented. मेरे अंदर इतने talent फूट रहे हैं कि I have to do multiple roles. And only thing is that in one movie they want 2 roles.
Yeah.
Yeah, मतलब double payment.
Huh?
Probably. I always had doubt फालतू.
हाँ.
अगर फिल्म एक रोल के लिए किसी को 1 पेमेंट मिला
हाँ.
तो उसी फिल्म में 2 रोल करने के लिए 2 पेमेंट मिलेगा क्या मिलेगा?
क्यों मिलेगा 2 पेमेंट?
You never know. 2 roles. Come on. Otherwise they have to have some other hero. Probably you know what happened? Suppose let's say somebody was getting $10 rupees. उस जमाने में ऐसे ही था फैमिली सैलरी दैट वे डोंट वरी बनी जान 10 रुपीस इज बिग लॉट ऑफ मनी एक्चुअली ओके 100 रुपीस फाइन अभी आपका भी मेरा भी नहीं ओके 100 रुपीस जस्ट इन्फ्लेशन बाय द वे ओके 100 रुपीस में तेरे को एक बन नहीं मिलेगा इंडिया में क्या अभी नहीं अभी तो बन छोड़ो 100 रुपीस में तेरे को चॉकलेट नहीं मिलता है हां and I'm talking about that time जमाने में like 50s 40s जहाँ पे double when 50s में actually start हुआ था double roles right so तब से if one role got $100 rupees I'm sorry I got to convert myself to rupees
जल्दी बोलना
if a second role comes in probably the hero will say no don't give that money to them why you spend 100 more rupees give me 150 rupees and I'll do double role
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है I don't think it's true
possible you never know
I don't think it's true अबे अगर स्क्रिप्ट की डिमांड नहीं होती तो ये आजकल के जमाने में हो सकता है
क्या स्क्रिप्ट की डिमांड आप उस जमाने में स्क्रिप्ट ऐसा नहीं डिमांड
अबे ओए आलतू सुनना आजकल के जमाने में हो सकता है मालूम है क्यों देखो कमल हासन कितने सारे रोल सभी रोल्स का जो पैसा बचाने के लिए खुद कर लेते हैं हीरोइन का भी रोल वो खुद करते हैं
ना कमल हासन का कुछ और ही अंडरस्टैंडिंग है द वे आई अंडरस्टैंड कमल हासन फालतू बट कमल हासन आल्सो हैज डन डबल रोल्स as in twins जुड़वे के तौर पे but the point is Kamala Hassan got so much of talent in him right nobody is hiring him for those kind of roles anymore hence एक ही फिल्म में 10 तरह के रोल कर देगा
नहीं यार पैसे बचाने के लिए ऐसे कर रहे हैं
कुछ भी पैसे बचाने कुछ भी नहीं है पैसा बहुत खर्चा करता है actually he spends a lot of money on his makeup
I know that's true but then hello but you don't have to pay the artist fee no remuneration
he does take a lion's share of the movie though.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
That's what even Akshay Kumar does, buddy.
He does take a lion's share of the screen also. Yeah.
Hi, I wish there should be a course on remunerations of Indian cinema.
I know, seriously.
That'd be interesting to know.
Yeah.
Then we can know whether Kareena Kapoor actually is telling the truth or not.
She is not okay.
She's not telling the truth, huh?
She is. Heroines are never paid as much as heroes. Never. Not even in Hollywood, Alto Baba.
But Akshay
Heroines
Kumar
are-
had one response. Everybody kept quiet. I don't know why. That was a wrong response. Actually,
No, it wasn't the wrong response.
It was a wrong response.
No, it wasn't. If Akshay Kumar, he was right. She said, okay, you know what? I wouldn't say it wasn't the wrong response, but I would just say that what he responded was correct. She said, when he's sitting on the same stage with her, okay, I'm going to give you the scene, Bandhujan, where they were both
Yeah,
on the
set
same.
it up properly. They're sitting on
Good News movie ka promotion tha, so they were doing this interview with I don't know.
some press interview.
Infosys, no, it was some school, a management school mein. This interview, they asked Kareena with regard to what is her wish list? So what does she hope that will happen in Indian cinema? And she said, the day that I get paid the same rate as Akshay Kumar in the movie.
That would dig at him actually.
That was actually a dig that she took. And she says, you know what I mean? Like how actresses are paid lesser or something. You could see Akshay Kumar's reaction because I think he doesn't.
I told you, he doesn't take nonsense anymore.
Yeah.
Like, to that point level in life.
He just said, yes, sure, why not? We'll pay you the same rate as long as let Kareena say that she's willing to put a stake in the movie and take a loss. If the movie is a loss, let her take the loss. If it's a hit, let her take the hit.
He didn't just
which is
take
what
in the
most
movie, by the way.
people
He was
do.
very careful. He didn't just take in the movie. He said, if Kareena is okay to take remuneration if the movie does well,
Yeah.
but take the risk or
Yeah.
take the hit when it doesn't do well.
Yes.
That's why Kareena was like, oh, no. I've got to pay for my father and everything.
Yeah. No. She completely swept that under the rug. She completely dismissed that. Dismiss that dialogue. Okay, so I mean, now it's one thing if you're an actress and you're a struggling actress and you don't have the money, you really need that money. But there are some people who can afford to take the risk because they already are doing well for themselves. They are very well settled.
Like Kajol.
Not just Kajol.
You Rani Mukherjee also.
Even Kareena, hello, she's a princess actually.
She
She's
does
a
not
queen
take,
actually.
She does not
now.
take risks. I'm sorry. Kareena is,
She
sometimes
doesn't take risk. I'm saying she can afford to take risk.
afford to, but she wants. Sonam Kapoor, they don't take risks.
Yeah.
But actually, Sonam Kapoor does take it. She actually went ahead and produced that movie of hers.
Yeah.
Anyways.
Well, it wasn't a bad movie. Be quiet, Alto Baba.
I didn't say it's a bad movie. It was actually had some elements could have been improved.
Yeah, that definitely could have been. It's unfortunate that even today they think to show an empowered woman, the woman has to be drinking and the woman has to be smoking and the woman has to be somebody who is
But at the same time, she'll show
sexually liberated.
So at the same time, she'll even mock the fact that the maid gets beaten up by her husband.
Yes, yeah,
And they'll mock it.
yeah. Yeah,
I
and they
don't know.
won't actually show how a woman who can take offense to a man saying something to her will not take offense when her maid is getting beaten up by
Black and blue, by the way.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's a different thing. We do have issues, all those things. And we call out Bollywood that way. And you might wonder why we are so infamous in Bollywood. Because we call
We are
out
not
Bollywood.
infamous.
Or rather, we are famous in Bollywood because we call out Bollywood.
Yeah, that's true actually. Bollywood.
All of the pretty industry people,
Yeah.
we say a lot of things, but just because we mean it also, by the way. And number to call here is 408-912-2479. Many of you are like, what? What are they going to do calling you guys? I love you guys anyways. Thank you. We love you too. But at the same time, but Jan, once in a while, you can always call up and say, I love you, right? Come on, yeah. Girlfriend, karte the na aap log. I mean, boyfriend used to expect a call from the boyfriend, didn't you? All ladies out there. Yeah.
Wow.
What? Wow. Excuse me, Fatma, I want to ask you one thing.
Yeah.
Girls, do they expect the boyfriends to call them or not?
Of course they do.
Exactly. Similarly, why can't I expect you guys to call us?
Yeah. So, there are boyfriend and girlfriend. We are paris, okay?
Excuse me.
We're
I'm
not
talking
boyfriend,
of Paris.
girlfriend.
Don't try to make a gender thing out of everything, Fatma. My
Okay.
God. Okay, now we're talking about doubles. Right? We talked about one heroine. Wait, we already talked about heroines, by the way. अरे heroes की बात ही नहीं हुआ फालतूनी अभी तक.
हाँ, heroes की बात ही नहीं हुई यार.
Let's do. आज का Double Trouble में अगला गाना जो फालतूनी पेश करने वाली है is about a hero, right?
हाँ.
Let's see if our Bandhus can identify who the hero is.
अच्छा, तो वो पिछला वाला आंसर आया क्या?
पिछला वाला WhatsApp में नहीं चाहिए. पायल शर्मा जी ऑलरेडी डाल दिया वहाँ पे on Facebook.
और फेसबुक पे उन्होंने डाल दिया. क्या पायल शर्मा जी आप कभी कॉल नहीं करते हो यार? मेरे को आपसे शिकायत है.
हाँ, मुझे नहीं है.
मुझे है.
हाँ.
तो सुनिएगा अभी बंधुजान, ये गाना हम लोग आपके लिए लगा रहे हैं. You have to tell me which actor has played a double role in this.
Yes, number to call you 408-912-2479 408-912-2479.
अरे तुम का बताई भैया हमरा हाल का है, निकले थे हम हलवा खाने मुंह ही जल गया है। का तुम का बताई अब का समझाई, बड़ी दुर्घटना है मुश्किल बचना है। चला ऐसा चक्कर उठी ऐसी आंधी, बड़ी हमका करनी बड़ी कूदा फांदी, बड़ी लंबी चौड़ी हुई भागा दौड़ी, दिन रात जो हमने जाग जाग की ऐसी भागम भाग कि हम कभी ही आ गए कभी हुआ गए, कभी ही आ गए कभी हुआ गए, कभी इधर भगे कभी उधर भगे, फिर तुमने दिया ये पान तो आई हमारी जान में जान, तो आई हमारी जान में जान, तो आई हमारी जान में जान।
आप बताए कौन सा गाना है पहला ये बताइए। फालतू पॉज लगा रहा फालतू रानी, तू भी सही में यार टाइमिंग करती नहीं है तू यार फॉलो।
तूने मेरे को बोला पॉज मारने के लिए?
अरे हाँ ऐसे किया ना मैंने।
ऐसे किया, ऐसे का मतलब क्या है?
I'll tell you what, Bell Panchos, right? Sometimes I feel like you just don't know me at all.
Be quiet, you and your.
फालतू गाना लगा अभी।
अबे क्या क्यों?
अभी
तूने पॉज मारने के लिए बोला ना?
मैं बस ऐसे ही I was trying to create the mood for बंदूज यार। Let them think about who the person who's done double acting in this.
So call this number Banjan 408-912-2479. You see that 408-912-2479.
408 is here. Here 912 is there and 2479 is that side.
Yes, you got to call that number and you got to tell us what the name of the actor is who is in this particular movie or movie कौन सी है?
408-912-2479।
कभी इधर भगे कभी उधर भगे, फिर तुमने दिया ये पान तो आई हमारी जान में जान, तो आई हमारी जान में जान, तो आई हमारी जान में जान। खाई के पान बनारस वाला, खाई के पान बनारस वाला, खुली जाए बंद अकल का ताला। वो खाई के पान बनारस वाला, खुली जाए बंद अकल का ताला, फिर तो ऐसा करे धमाल सीधी कर दे सबकी चाल। हो छोरा हो छोरा हो छोरा गंगा किनारे वाला, हो छोरा गंगा किनारे वाला, खाई के पान बनारस वाला, खुली जाए बंद अकल का ताला। अरे राम दुहाई कैसे चक्कर में पड़ गया, हाय 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 कहाँ जान फसाई, मैं तो सूली पे चढ़ गया, हाय हाय कैसा सीधा सादा मैं कैसा भोला भाला, अरे कैसा सीधा सादा मैं कैसा भोला भाला, जाने कौन घड़ी में पड़ गया पढ़े लिखों से पाला, मीठी छुरी से हुआ हालात, छोरा गंगा किनारे वाला, हो छोरा गंगा किनारे वाला, खाई के पान बनारस वाला, खुली जाए बंद अकल का ताला।
Father, again you didn't catch my cue.
क्या रे?
I was telling callers है टन मैं बोल रहा था देखो क्या यार
तू टन बोल
I feel Bell Panchos, right? I don't even think you know me at all.
अबे
नमस्कार, आपका हाथ स्वागत है पैम पैम के डबल ट्रबल ट्यूसडे में। Who's this?
हेलो पैम जी, कौन है जी?
हाय नमस्कार पैम। हाँ खेड़ा साहब कैसे हैं सर?
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ, आप बताइए कैसे हो?
मैं फर्स्ट क्लास हूँ, फालतू का मैं कुछ बोल नहीं सकता।
हाँ, मैं सुपर डुपर क्लास हूँ।
कुछ भी
हाँ?
ऐसा कोई क्लास ही नहीं है।
कैसे क्लास नहीं
गांधी
है?
क्लास है, if you want take it, take it.
Whatever, मैं M क्लास हूँ।
M क्लास, ओके फाइन, M क्लास ठीक है। हाँ खेड़ा साहब, लेकिन आज आप सही शो पे कॉल किया है, डबल ट्रबल ट्यूसडे।
हाँ
जी,
मुबारक हो।
डबल ट्रबल है, मैं ट्रिपल ट्रबल पे भी कर सकता हूँ।
ओह वेरी गुड, लेकिन ट्रिपल ट्रबल ऐसा शो हमने अभी तक किया नहीं है, लेकिन जब करेंगे आपको डेफिनेटली इनवाइट करेंगे। लेकिन अभी के डबल ट्रबल पे आ जाइएगा। तो बताइए, पॉइंट पे आते हैं।
हाँ।
आपने पहचाना इसमें डबल ट्रबल कौन किरदार निभा रहा है?
इसमें अमिताभ बच्चन।
हो अमिताभ बच्चन।
आपके कानों ने कभी आपको धोखा दिया है?
क्यों, ये डॉन मूवी का गाना है?
क्या
हाँ?
आपके कानों ने कभी आपको धोखा दिया है?
वो बताइए।
ये पहला ये बताइए।
मेरे कानों में धोखा,
आंख तो धोखा देती हैं।
हाँ,
कान कभी देती है आपको धोखा?
कान भी धोखा दे सकते हैं, गलत सुना तो, जैसे आप बोल रहे हो अभी।
Well, you're right. It is not Amitabh Bachchan though.
it is not अमिताभ बच्चन।
Dang, 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 dang.
टन 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 टन।
क्योंकि अमिताभ बच्चन के गाने में आते हैं, भंग का रंग जमा हो चक्का चक्क, फिर लो पान चबा। खान नहीं रे, पान। कान को चबाने वाले तू है।
ये शाहरुख खान का तो नहीं है कहीं?
अरे वाह, ये 100%
वेट, हेलो, कौन सा वाला शाहरुख खान वाला डॉन?
कौन सा वाला?
कौन सा डॉन?
हाँ वो भी, हाँ करेक्ट करेक्ट, हाँ कौन सा वाला डॉन?
डॉन एक ही तो डॉन है उसका, डॉन
नहीं, एक ने उसका
दो है।
हाँ
मैं डॉन 2 की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, डॉन की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं।
वेरी गुड
सर,
लेट मी
पूरा नाम बताओ। डॉन द
डॉन।
No, Dawn the chase begins again.
ओह वाओ।
अरे कभी कभार तो
टाइटल थोड़ी समरी होगी।
खेड़ा साहब एक मिनट, मैं आपकी तरफ से सपोर्ट करता हूँ। कभी कभार तो उनको राइट आंसर मिलता है, तो सेलिब्रेट करना तो भी सही है। हमारे खेड़ा साहब रे।
हाँ ठीक है रे।
खेड़ा साहब कांग्रेचुलेशंस, हम बहुत खुश हुए, प्रसन्न हुए एक्चुअली।
खेड़ा साहब है, इसीलिए तो मैं उनको चैलेंज कर रही हूँ आज तो।
गलत आंसर के बाद में राइट आंसर दिलवाया आपने ना। दैट इज व्हाट आवर स्पेशलिटी इज। तो खेड़ा साहब आप बताइए, आपके निजी लाइफ में हैव यू कम अक्रॉस एनी डबल ट्रबल्स?
हाँ बिल्कुल, मेरी कजन्स हैं, वो आइडेंटिकल हैं।
ओह वाओ।
फिर इन माय चाइल्डहुड हमारे नेबर थे, वो आइडेंटिकल थे, राम और श्याम उनका नाम था, पता नहीं चलता था।
So I want to ask you one thing. I don't have much experience with twins. Are they? Do you think they actually have a telepathy? मतलब do you think उनको पता लगता है कि क्या क्या एक दूसरे महसूस जो करते हैं ना? Do you think they have connection? ऐसा है निजी लाइफ में? मैं फिल्म की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ।
मुझे ऐसा तो नहीं लगता, पर क्योंकि हर चीज सेम होती है। पुराने टाइम की बात कर रहा हूँ। अगर ड्रेसेस भी ले रहे हैं तो एक जैसी दोनों को ले रहे हैं, बाकी बड़ा सिमिलर सा लेते थे, तो उनको एक वो अपने आप को उनके साथ वो ज्यादा एसोसिएट करते थे, यही हो सकता है बस। और ऐसे वाला तो नहीं जो मूवीज में दिखाते हैं कि ऐसा होता है।
Because I've never moved personally. Have you actually, Valtrani, I want to ask the question to you. Have you ever known some twin personally well?
We know a pair of twins.
We don't know them personally well.
Okay. We know. I'm trying to think. No, not identical. बच्चे जानती हूँ मैं. I know a lot.
मेरा ब्रदर और मैं ट्विन्स हैं।
हाँ?
Really? Are you?
मैं तो सबको यही बोलता हूँ।
हाँ, बट लेकिन आप तो आइडेंटिकल है ना, आप तो मोर गुड लुकिंग है ना।
तो बोर्ड एक ट्विन्स मूवी आई थी, मैं उनको फिर वो वाला एग्जांपल देता हूँ।
मुझे मालूम था आप डैनी डिविटो हो ना, आप डैनी डिविटो हो ना।
आप डैनी डिविटो जी, so गॉड।
अरे टैलेंटेड वाला यार।
हाँ
जो डैनी डिविटो बहुत टैलेंटेड बंदा है उसमें। He is very smart, right?
हाँ।
स्ट्रीट स्मार्ट है बंदा, मजाक नहीं कर रहा।
आपने कमल हसन का बताया था कि उसने 9-10 रोल करे हैं, ऐसे संजीव कुमार जी ने भी मेरा ख्याल है नया दिन नई रात में ऑलमोस्ट 9-10 रोल्स करे हैं।
हाँ, संजीव कुमार is really a good actor. I underestimated actor of Indian cinema is Sanjeev Kumar जी। Underrated actor. But right. Point. तो आपको बोलना पड़ेगा शाहरुख खान का एक और फिल्म जहाँ पे उन्होंने डबल रोल किया है।
अच्छा।
शाहरुख खान ने एक और डबल रोल किया है।
वैसे शाहरुख खान is one of the people who actually has never done a role of a जुड़वा।
अच्छा।
He has never done a role of a जुड़वा in his career।
Twins नहीं किया है?
नहीं किया, लेकिन डबल रोल किया है।
अच्छा।
एक और फिल्म सोचो।
Oh, of course। बहुत सारे रोल्स किए उन्होंने।
हाँ? कौन सा वाला?
खेड़ा साहब
खेड़ा साहब
ऐसे सस्पेंस में छोड़ के मत जाइए.
Oh my
नहीं,
God.
बाजीगर अल्तू बाबा.
बाजीगर में थोड़े डबल डॉलर्स का छोड़ो.
वो एक लेंस के साथ एक बिना लेंस के साथ.
हाँ वो तो लगाता है लेंस से. आप हमारे ऊपर लेंस मत लगाओ बस.
तो फिर वो डबल रोल नहीं होता है जैसे अमोल पालेकर गोलमाल में मुच्छे वाले और बिना मुच्छे वाले.
बिना मुच्छे वाले.
हाँ वो नहीं होता है. डबल रोल
आपके शो में स्पाइस ऐड कर रहा था.
हाँ थैंक यू सर जरूर दिए. ऐसा हमारा मुझो कैलिएंटे हमारा.
अभी माइल्ड हॉट है ना उसको माइल्ड है अभी मैं उसको हॉट करवाया.
अरे नहीं सर चिंता मत करो हमारा तो वी एक्चुअली आर प्रीटी मच हॉटीज. मिर्ची पे आके हम लोग रेड हॉटीज आ गए हम लोग. और रेड हॉटीज आ गए मतलब मुचो कालियंते.
हाँ मुच्चो कालियंते.
एंड एनीवे थैंक यू सो मच सर आपने ट्राई किया. हाँ बोलो.
मुझे आप हिंट दोगे इसका शाहरुख खान का यार.
शाहरुख खान का एक्चुअली ही हैज डन रोल. 2 फिल्म्स आते हैं जहन में जहाँ पे उन्होंने जुड़वा नहीं है मतलब इट इज नॉट अ जुड़वा रोल बट इट इज डबल रोल.
वो करण अर्जुन
में तो सेकंड वो अलग है. इट्स लाइक अ सेकंड जन्म ना.
तो that's okay, right?
No, it's not
that
okay.
is a double roll.
तो आ गया यार.
They was share the screen together यार.
Hey, that is not double trouble, Ray. You play 2 different characters in the same movie. That
means you'll say Amitabh Bachchan and Shahenshah.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah. That way if you look at
एक्स्ट्रा काम करवाया ना उससे. वो पहले आया फिर उसके बाद मार दिया फिर आ गया.
हाँ सही बात है.
हाँ,
अच्छा बात चलो
ये इसका पॉइंट मिलने चाहिए मुझे यार. 0.5 इसका मिलेगा मुझे.
0.5 दे देते चलो. कल का आपका 1.5 था अभी 2 हो जाएगा. ठीक है खुश. आप भी खुश हम भी खुश और हमारे हमसे ऊपर विशाल जी खुश. ठीक है
इसमें से कोरोना टैक्स लगा के निकाल लो सारे.
ना कोरोना के लिए हम टैक्स लगाते नहीं है. हम वी नॉट लाइक अमेरिका. गवर्नमेंट नहीं है हम लोग. गवर्नमेंट नहीं है हम लोग
IRS नहीं है IRS.
हम प्राइवेट कंपनी है.
हाँ प्राइवेट कंपनी है.
भले हम लोग कंगाल है लेकिन आप लोगों को टैक्स दे देंगे. फ्री दे देंगे.
प्राइवेट कंपनी है देन आई कैन एक्सपेक्ट अ बोनस.
हाँ डन सर आपके लिए बोनस मिल जाएगा.
अरे हमारे पास जो भी है उसका बोनस दे देंगे आपको.
अरे सर आप आके लेके जाओ. बक्सा पड़ा है बोनस लेके जाओ आप.
हाँ
ठीक है
मैं सैटरडे को आगे सोचता हूँ कि लेके जाता हूँ सैटरडे को.
वेरी गुड. हम आपका समोसा का नियोता वेट कर रहे हैं हम लोग.
हाँ
ठीक है
थैंक यू सो मच. हम सब पढ़ रहे हैं. हम सब मैसेजेस पढ़ रहे हैं. अमल करेंगे टाइम पे.
कानून सब जानता है.
अरे सब देखते हैं हम सब देखते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच कॉलिंग अस खेड़ा साहब. एंड ऑफ कोर्स एक और बंदू कॉल एक नहीं 2 लोग बंदू कॉल कर रहे थे लेकिन दे हंग अप आफ्टर आई एक्चुअली गिव आउट द आंसर.
वापस कॉल करो यार 408-912-2479.
Hey, hello, excuse me, Deepa. Don't ask us about these questions on Facebook, please.
Not
call up
very,
here.
not
No,
very
no,
well.
we'll not answer your questions right now. No, Valtani, what are you doing? You're encouraging this behavior.
What I'm
Deepa doesn't call the show. She's like Payal Sharma ji.
Yeah.
They'll post everything on Facebook and they'll not come on air.
वो चलेगा नहीं दीपा.
No, Deepa, we're not answering your question on your Facebook.
हाँ, Raj Lakhotia ji saying fan.
Yes.
Yes.
I had fan only in mind. Fan. एक और फिल्म था Duplicate.
Oh
my God, you can play that song the first already.
I bet.
Okay, how about we do this?
There's one more movie.
We'll ask a movie in which Salman Khan has done a
double role.
Very few movies done it.
Salman Khan has
actually
done
not few. Only one movie he's done double role. Salman Khan in his entire career.
Huh.
Only one movie he's done double role. कौन सा फिल्म है? नहीं 2 movies.
Really?
2 movies में किया है double role. आपको बोलना पड़ेगा कौन सा रोल है जहाँ पे सलमान खान ने double role किया है. In the meanwhile, what we'll play is a nice song for the movie Duplicate.
Duplicate.
You know what song फालतू
कब मैंने ये सोचा था, कब मैंने ये जाना था, तुम इतने बदल जाओगे, तुम इतना मुझे सताओगे, तुम इतना प्यार करोगे, तुम यूं इकरार करोगे मेरे महबूब मेरे सनम. लगाना आल्टो.
I thought you were singing the whole song for us.
I thought you were going to play the song. मैं लीड इन कर रही थी. क्या वेस्ट हो गया मेरा पूरा लीड इन.
अच्छा फाइन थोड़ा एक और बार कर दो ना. 1 2 3 स्टार्ट.
नहीं तू गा.
फालतू मैं गाऊं. मैं तो म्यूजिक के साथ गाऊंगा. But you know me, right? I have a habit of only singing with music. Otherwise गाता नहीं हूँ मैं. थोड़ा मेरा टशन बनता है फालतू. Come on. You know.
मेरे महबूब. अबे कितना टाइम लगाएगा?
अच्छा I will sing with the music. तू क्यों बीच में आ रही है?
चल गा.
क्या चल मेरी गा. तो I'll present here you go. This is a nice song I'm gonna sing for you guys. Present music के साथ. यही बताया फालतू नहीं, फेस पे जब कॉमेडी होती है ना, आउट ऑफ सिलेबस बात होती है। हमने पूछा क्वेश्चन सलमान खान के बारे में, लेकिन वहाँ पे अक्षय कुमार की आ रही है।
क्योंकि वो सुनने रहे ना शो को।
सलमान खान कौन से फिल्म में डबल रोल निभाया है? कॉल कीजिएगा 4089122479 4089122479। अभी के लिए लुत्फ उठाएगा इस गाने का बंजान। ओ उससे पहले कॉलर का कॉल उठाएंगे हम लोग। नमस्कार, पैम पैम में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है। Who's this? हेलो
पैम पैम, नमस्कार, हम श्रीनिधि बात कर रहे हैं।
ओह माय गॉड, डबल ट्रबल का एक ट्रबल आ गया है हमारे पास। यस 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 यस, कैसे हैं आप श्रीनिधि जी? सब ठीक ठाक?
हाँ, सब ठीक ठाक।
तो हम पे इल्जाम लगाया गया है by this person called, okay, I will not tell the person's name, sitting somewhere in mountain house very high, and not calling us over here. Yeah. You ask what, bhai? Seriously, yeah, it's exactly happening. The person said, oh, you know somebody already. I said, no, I don't know the person very well. Right? तो गुड यू कॉल टुडे। बदुजान, आज का शो डबल ट्रबल पे एक ट्रबल आ गया है। I wish we had other trouble also.
You know, it would be so awesome if we could dial the other trouble in.
Hey dude, yeah, why can't we do that, man?
Hey, is it possible to dial him in?
Come on, wake him up, man. It's okay. It's early in the morning.
Okay,
fine, you should do it here.
Okay, I think I can do that.
Yeah, do one thing. You do that. We'll put you on hold right now and do that. In the meanwhile, what we'll do is we will listen to a song.
No, can you try to conference him?
Oh, right now we surprise him, right?
Yeah.
Oh, no. What if he takes out the different names and all? Oh, as in he takes all kinds of different names. You never know. Problematic. Hey, but I'd love to see if we can have both of you on this today's show, man.
Yeah, that'd be so awesome.
That'd be so awesome. And
Sure.
Yeah, actually, we should Skype them in.
Oh, let's do one thing. We'll Skype you guys in.
Yeah, why don't you guys get on Skype? We'll Skype you in.
But you got to first wake him up, right? It was all the way in India.
Is he awake?
Hey, but for all you know, for the things we know about twins and stereotypes, right?
Yeah.
Like, if one was awake over here, the other person will also be awake there.
Oh.
Yeah.
I was going to share what I learned about twins from this guy only.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, he'll be subject matter expert.
Yeah.
Oh, we have an SME with us, but we have an expert here. And let's allow the bandhus who's wondering who's this person over here who's actually called and everybody recognizes his voice and all. We know him because his name is Srinidhi.
Yes.
So Srinidhi, are you going to be getting your
double?
Yeah, your double.
Well, I think he's gone to sleep because he works in the night actually. If it was maybe a couple of hours before, then I'm sure he would have been awake. So I think he might have gone to sleep. I'm just
Excuses. He's gone to sleep, has to come to wake.
You know what? We should call from here and we should say like, oh my god.
Poor thing,
We're
man.
doing that.
As if they don't know us. And finally they'll be like, you know what?
I know.
Anyway, Srinidhi, good thing you called today.
Okay, if you can hold, I can try his number.
Very good. We'll hold, don't worry. And in the meanwhile, what we're going to do is we're going to listen to the song we talked about, right?
Yeah.
It's called the
Duplicate song.
कब मैंने ये सोचा था, कब मैंने ये जाना था, कब मैंने ये सोचा था, कब मैंने ये जाना था, तुम इतने बदल जाओगे, तुम इतना मुझे चाहोगे, तुम इतना प्यार करोगे, तुम यूं इकरार करोगे, मेरे महबूब मेरे सनम, शुक्रिया मेहरबानी करम, मेरे महबूब मेरे सनम, शुक्रिया मेहरबानी करम। कब मैंने ये सोचा था, कब मैंने ये जाना था, तुम इतने बदल जाओगे, तुम इतना मुझे चाहोगे, तुम इतना प्यार करोगे, तुम यूं इकरार करोगे, मेरे महबूब मेरे सनम, शुक्रिया मेहरबानी करम, मेरे महबूब मेरे सनम, शुक्रिया मेहरबानी करम।
And of course, John, we tried to get the other double trouble on air, but we could not.
Yeah.
Wait a second. You know what? Guess what? He just messaged. He's available now.
Oh, wonderful. Okay,
awesome,
we'll go back to the song right now. Okay.
What?
सांसों में जो गर्मी है पहले तो नहीं थी, पहले तो नहीं छाई थी जुल्फों की घटाएं, पहले तो नहीं छाई थी जुल्फों की घटाएं, पहले तो नहीं महकी थी आंचल की हवाएं, पहले तो नहीं आती थी तुमको ये अदाएं, आज कितने हंसी है सितम, शुक्रिया मेहरबानी करम, मेरे महबूब मेरे सनम, शुक्रिया मेहरबानी करम।
And right now, let's tell our bandhus that we actually have a guest with us.
Yeah.
Oh no, we have guests with us.
Guests.
In plural.
In plural.
Yeah, एक से भले दो.
दो से भले.
और कौन? Exactly. And we have with us, Balcha, drum roll. Wait, we don't have drum roll, but we have some other effects. Hey, we have other effects, right?
Yeah.
We have applause.
Applause.
Oh, sorry, that's what we said. There you go. This is applause. This is applause coming right now. And we also have with us on air twins.
Yeah.
Oh my God, identical twins. Let's hear Pam from both of you, please.
Papa.
Hey, not you, them. Where's the other one?
Where's the other one?
Hello?
Where's the other one? Hello?
Hello?
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Pam, pam.
Uh-oh. What happened to the other call?
Where is Srinidhi?
Srinidhi? Wait, that is Srinidhi.
Wait.
Oh my God, so confusing now.
Okay, is that Srinidhi or Srihari?
That was Srihari.
Where is Srinidhi?
Where is Srinidhi?
I'm here.
So why didn't you say Pam Pam?
I did say Pam Pam. I'm the one who said Pam Pam.
That is what happens. Where is Srihari right now?
Where is Srihari?
Oh God. He's also there.
Srihari, come on, say something, Srihari. Don't freeze on me.
Both of Pam Pam. The first Pam Pam was his.
Okay. And second Pam Pam was? Don't say his.
Oh God, even their voices are
Oh
similar.
my God, your voice is also similar, man.
Good Lord.
First of all, let's just say good evening to Srihari. Oh, good morning.
No, good morning,
Good morning, Srihari. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. Good evening to you both.
Wonderful. Hey, oh my God, I'm talking to you after a very long time, actually.
I know.
You've already spoke to him once, but I've not spoken to you at all.
Yeah.
So good, Srihari. Now you actually dialed in all the way from India, correct?
Correct.
Just to make sure everybody knows it's India, what time is it there? What time is it, dude? Come on.
It is 7 a.m. on 13th of May.
13th of May. And of course, they also have shelter in place by the way, so he actually is at home. Otherwise, he'll be out there jogging right now. I know him, very, very physically fit person.
Oh, really?
Oh, he does all those, what do you call that thing?
The
elbows.
The push-up challenge and all, no?
No, he does that thing. Which is, no, what do you do that thing which you like, you act like a plank? Oh, planking. It's called planking. Hey, that's pretty good actually. So today is a wonderful day. I get to talk to you, Srihari, and also you, Srinidhi.
Oh, double the pleasure for us.
Double the pleasure. But why Srinidhi is not talking when you're on air?
Hey, I'm just giving him the space there, okay? Because I always speak, right? So I just don't want to steal his thunder. So.
Wait, who was this?
Okay, that was Srinidhi. Okay. Srinidhi out. Srihari in.
Okay, where's Srihari now?
So we take turns in confusing people.
Well, okay, you don't have to take turns. You have to.
Okay.
Wait. That was Srihari, I suppose.
Yeah.
Yes.
No, that was Srihari.
No, that was Srihari.
Okay, I'm very confused right now. That's why I said let's Skype them in. At least we can see who's talking. You know what I mean?
Lip sync part. But Bandhu is allowed, no, right?
Yeah.
Well, Baljan, we talked about today Double Trouble, and we actually have Double Trouble with us. Yeah. We know of this particular twins. They're very famous, or they're very infamous actually.
No, they're very famous.
Very famous also. Mischievous people. Well, we also have heard stories about them replacing each other in workplaces.
You've heard of the Bad Boys of Bangalore?
Oh,
Baljan?
yes. These guys are the founders of the organization. Well, okay, so let's ask you. So first of all, we want to break some myths here, okay? Sherry, Srinidhi, we want to break some myths here. So it's so wonderful to have you on our Bandhu Circle. So we actually have some clarity on this concept of being twins.
Okay.
Is it true you guys can read your thoughts?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
Wait, both of you said yes same time?
Hopefully.
Okay.
Wait, hold on. You say hopefully?
Who said
I said
hopefully?
Totally.
Okay.
Okay, so like if you're in the same room, you guys would know what's going on in the other one's mind.
Yeah. Well, we don't have to be in the same room. Even if we are apart, away from each other. We definitely know what's going on in each other's mind. And can I give an example?
Yeah, please. We want to have all these exemplars and everything.
Yes, please.
Okay, perfect. So this was back in Bangalore, when I was also back in Bangalore and we were working. Our offices were a few kilometers away. And usually on Fridays we used to drive down, but otherwise we had cabs picking up and dropping us. So we used to drive down, and then one weekend I was just I had this craving to eat a specific dish that evening. And I was just about to, and I was just thinking about it. It was like, okay, today, I'll pick up Shriyari and we'll go and have this. And within few minutes, he actually called, and then he said, "Hey, bro, pick me up. Let's go to this place." And that place definitely served that dish. So.
Oh wow!
That's just one instance. So there have been multiple instances that happen like this. So
interesting.
I can give one example.
Yeah, please, Srihari.
Yeah.
Okay, so I mean this happens very, very, very regularly. Okay. Both of us are, we keep singing songs, and when we're together, and we keep enjoying ourselves when we have our time, not me time, but our time. So what happens is, I would be thinking of a song, and coincidentally, he would start humming that song. We wouldn't have even spoken to each other, but I would have been thinking of singing that song, and he would have started humming that song. So,
oh my God,
that's how our minds
eerie.
connect.
So you're telling me I should never have you play a quiz or dumb shares together, right? You can't be on the same team.
Yeah, you're going to lose.
Yeah, you got to be on two different teams then.
Yeah.
So now we know. Good. So here's one more. The second myth we have. Myth we have here. So second myth we have. Oh, by the way, let's open up lines for our bandhus to call in.
Yeah.
If they have any questions for twins, we have experts here, subject matter experts. In fact, they themselves are twins.
Yeah.
And they're typical filmy twins. I'm not kidding.
Yeah.
They actually, if one person cuts the hand, the other person go ouch.
Yeah, that's exactly what. That's the next myth.
That's the next myth.
If one of you gets hurt, does the other one feel pain?
Or trauma, or some.
Well, that is very movie thingy. We haven't felt that, experiencing, well, not in the physical sense, like, pain, but then it definitely hurts, because हम जुड़वा हैं. एक को दर्द होगा, एक को ठेस पहुंचेगा, तो दूसरे को भी दर्द होगा.
Oh.
Okay.
Wow. What about you?
So what I was saying is that it has happened in the past that when we were really kids, and I'm sure our brother can vouch for this. That once he had temperature, and then he got over it, and then immediately the next day, and I don't remember who was first. So, but it just happened one after the other, not like immediately. So.
Oh wow.
That has happened for sure. Yeah.
Wow.
I know that one thing about the
How do you know that?
Wait. I know. Wait, I'll tell you.
You
Because
heard about it.
they have an older brother. We're not asking you about the fact that did he inflict equal pain on both
Excuse
of you?
me, 1 second. Hold on. Today is a show about them, okay? And by the way, just ignore the question. We don't want to know the answer right now. That's a different show. That's sibling thing afterwards.
Yeah.
That's a different show. Totally. Hey, but Srihari, I was going to tell you one thing. You've become very popular here in the Bay Area worldwide.
Yeah.
So excellent. We have callers. We have callers actually calling to ask you questions about that. Can we take some callers, if you don't mind?
Sure.
Okay. Hello, Namaskar. Pam Pam में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है to Double Trouble. Don't get confused. The voice might be sounding like double echoes, but no, it's two different people.
Yeah, it's two different people.
They generally talk the same thing. They both of them say hello sometimes and say Pam Pam also. Simultaneously say it also. You should be careful about that. There you go. So welcome.
Pam.
Pranab ji, welcome. How are you doing?
I'm doing fantastic.
Oh, Bhrata Shri!
Bhrata Shri!
Sir, you got to say it twice because दो लोग हैं यहाँ पे.
हाँ, दोनों ने बोला अभी भ्राताश्री.
I know Srinidhi, but I have a question.
Yeah, please.
Maybe. So, of course, like there are a lot of misconception and assumption that ऐसा होता है. But I wanted to ask, like, mostly fun things, right? Has it ever happened that one of you did some mischief and other got beaten up? ऐसा कुछ हुआ?
Oh, I have.
Srinidhi, you are missing this. So did something happen?
Sherry, you want to do that? You want to say that?
I would. No, I would rather stay quiet because I used to do the mischief.
Yeah, you better.
Srinidhi, you want to share?
Yes, I always got the beatings for all the mess up that he had done, you know. So, and all the way from school, right? There's many attempts, literally almost every day. He used to forget his lunchbox at school. Okay, and after school, obviously after we came back home, he would realize. I mean, not that. I mean, our school was pretty close by, so we could actually go back within, the gates closed completely. So he always forgets his lunchbox in school, and after school, I have to go and get real bad scolding from all those ladies in the in the school. So every time I used to get that done. And there was one instance. It was obviously later when we started working and everything, and then both of us worked. Oh God, that reminds me of another instance. I'll get there. Okay. So what happened was, we worked in two different companies, and then it was a weekend, and we were walking down Brigade Road. That is Brigade Road in Bangalore. You know that, right? So we were walking down the road, and then we were with a couple of friends. And coincidentally, I was walking with one on one side of the footpath, and then he was on the other side. So all of a sudden, there was this really, really big bang on my back. So someone just hit me real hard on my back. Okay, and I just turned around. I was so agitated. I was just turned around, and that girl, whoever hit me, she was like, "Oh my God, I'm so sorry. I thought it was Harry." And then, she thought I was him. And then, when I turned back, she's like, "Oh, I'm really sorry. I thought it was Harry." And I didn't even ask her anything because Shriyari was on the other side of the footpath, and I was like, "Shriyari, your friend, come here."
Oh, I was going to ask you, has it ever happened that a girl has walked up to you and slapped one of you in the face and you had no idea why?
Slapped? Oh, okay. No. Because we have Pranab ji here. No, hold on. No, the question is the wrong question.
With girls, they never slap us.
No, sir, wrong question from her. Don't mind. Ignore her question. Because Pranab ji is here, I got to ask a decent question. Has it ever happened that some girl came and gave the wrong person a love letter? Well, they wanted to actually propose to Srihari, came and gave a letter to Srinidhi.
Oh, yeah.
Hey.
I'm sorry.
What, you don't want to share?
I'm sorry, I would want to take that question.
Okay.
That way, we would make sure that, that doesn't happen. It is our responsibility to make sure it doesn't happen.
So
we are very well in sync.
So that means that you used to actually wear differentiating t-shirts. It's not me, it's him.
No, we used to volunteer saying that I am Srihari and he is Srinidhi.
Okay. Have you ever done the other way around? To get out of a situation?
Oh, yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Oh, that's plenty of time.
They said yes.
Plenty of time.
Okay.
So what happened was when I was working in a company and then he came to visit me. So I just put my ID on him and then sent him in. There was only one other colleague of mine who came out with me to the front desk, and I said, "Hey, look, you just need to walk with her and just go on with it. So, and then Shriyari is very, very good at pulling tricks. Okay. So what he did was he obviously wore my badge. He went in along with my colleague, and he started walking in. And I was managing a team, and then my team members like, hey Srinidhi, I've sent you this report. Can take a look at it. And this guy was like, yeah, sure, I'll take a look at it, and then get back to the line of things. So this happened for about 10-15 minutes, and the way Shriyari pulled the thing. My colleague who was with me, she just couldn't stand and she burst out laughing. She's like, she just couldn't control, and then she gave it away. So, and then he's like, he is not Srinidhi, he is his brother Srihari, and then everybody was and then I walked back and then walked in. So everybody was like,
oh my God.
Oh my God, you guys are really too much, by the way. And anybody wondering, oh my God,
they
what do you
are
mean?
too much. They're two people.
Okay, and one more. And this is, hey, and this happens even today, okay? We both work for the same company, different locations. So there are many a times, and then we've worked together in the past in the previous companies as well. So obviously, I mean, our names, I'm Srinidhi and he's Srihari, so there's very less, minute difference when someone is searching for an email. So I get his emails and he gets mine, so we keep exchanging, like, bro, this is for you. Hey, bro, this meeting was for you, not for me.
Okay, interesting. And of course, if you're wondering how they look, they actually go to our Facebook page. We have posted a photograph of them, actually, without their permission.
Oh, really? Oh, my God, I get to know.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you guys are very...
What, Srihari couldn't believe that he's a free Srihari.
I hope you've chosen the right picture.
Don't worry, you're on the right only.
Yeah. In the picture.
In the picture. In the picture on the right and he's on the left.
Yeah, it's that picture where both of you are wearing your Royal Challenger those t-shirts.
Oh, yeah. Okay, that's our point.
I remember. All right.
There you go. And Pranavji, thank you so much for your call. We'll go to next caller who actually has multiple questions for them. Okay, hold on.
Thank you.
Namaskar, आपका हर स्वागत है Pam Pam में. Welcome to the Double Trouble edition of our Pam Pam show, where we actually have real life twins with us.
Yes.
To clear all your myths about twins.
Yeah. Hello, Pam Pam.
Pam Pam, who's this?
Hi, Pam.
Who's this?
Anurag here.
Hi, Anurag. How are you?
Wow, Anurag, don't tell me you also are a...
Are you a twin?
Are you a twin?
No, I'm not a twin. I have a question for twins.
Oh, please
go
ahead.
Nothing. I was wondering, ऐसा कभी होता है क्या? One person is eating and other one puts on weight, or maybe the other one is working out and other one gets the biceps kind of thing.
I can answer that question without even asking.
Yeah. Is it yes?
No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't happen.
Why are you answering? Are you a twin? Wait, hold on. Why are you taking that? No, Srihari, Srinidhi, I want you guys to take the answer, please. Please. Come on. Tell us. We want to know. The world wants to know.
Okay. I'll take that, Srinidhi. Okay. Anurag, I wish that would have happened because for all the times that I've been eating, Srinidhi would have put on weight like hell, and the times that he has gone for his workout, probably I would have balanced all the things that I had eaten over a period of time.
So it doesn't work that way.
Unfortunately, that doesn't happen. We are responsible for our own body.
Okay, I hear you. So, Anurag, I hope you got your answer.
Connected by mind.
Yes, so we can't do that right now.
I can live on salads, and Shriyari can't even smell that. He just hates salads and soups.
Oh my God, Shriyari.
I keep them aside.
Seems like you and me, Shriyari, share one DNA. I don't know.
That's why it's called a side dish.
That's what side dish, yeah.
You keep it aside.
Keep it aside, yes.
Exactly.
Achha, by the way, Anurag, thank you so much. Anurag actually calling us all the way from Canada.
Canada.
And thank you so much for your representation. Anurag, I hope now we have some clarity to our twins, right?
Yes.
Good. So don't expect that. Wish I had a twin. Don't ever say that ever.
Yeah.
Thanks, Anurag.
Yeah. Thank you, Anurag. Thank you for that. And by the way, we have calls. Also, we have actually messages from on Facebook asking multiple questions and all. Amazing to note facts about identical twins directly from identical twins. Oh, you're welcome, Manyakshi ji. And then there's Deepa, who I don't want to answer the question. I want to give her questions on air. It's something between me and Deepa. It's a different thing. It's an internal war going on there. So.
Yeah, it's
yeah. So good. So wonderful. So I think.
But let me ask you: are your are you guys so identical for people who have not seen you before that people mix you up, or do your family members sometimes mix you up?
Yeah, it does happen. It does still happen.
Oh, mom and dad, of course. Mom and dad aside. Other than that, does it happen with like extended family where people call Srihari and start thinking that you're Srinidhi and tell you his secrets?
Important to know all these things. Yes.
Yes, that has happened. Definitely.
It does happen.
Still happens, brother.
It still happens.
It still happens.
Well, it still happens.
Yeah, it does.
Well, actually, until they actually see us. I mean,
Until they actually see them together.
Oh, they see them together.
physically different. But then our voices, I mean, I think you heard it. So our voices are so similar. So even unintentionally, people have kind of got confused. In fact, Sherry, can I say that this was way back, even before you got married? Remember that instance? Can I?
Go ahead, bro. You got the freedom. Go ahead.
Yes, the whole world alone.
Yeah. So this was way back when Sherry was dating his now wife. He called and we were all in the car and I answered his phone. Right? And then I kept talking and she didn't realize it was actually me and not him. And she couldn't figure out. And at some point of time, I gave and I was like, okay, before she even says anything which I should be hearing, I was like, hey, this is Srinidhi, not Sherry, so
That's wonderful. That's gentleman's thing right there. Very good, very good. I'm very
What
proud of you.
gentlemanly?
Yeah, it's very gentlemanly.
He led her on.
He didn't. Oh, excuse me, had he, you'd have known more secrets. Well, he already knows it because he reads his mind anyways.
Yeah, that's true.
That's true.
There cannot be secrets.
Hey, probably Sirius sending him messages like, don't, bro.
Actually, we don't have any secrets. So pretty much we are quite open about each other. And then we literally talk every day, even today. So, yeah.
So sweet. Hey, that's nice. And thank you so much. You made our show very special by calling in today.
Yeah.
And Srihari, I know it is early morning for you guys, and you took the time. I think he woke you up or whatever. I don't forgive us. No, forgive us. Don't forgive him though.
My pleasure.
Yeah.
My pleasure. Honestly speaking, let me be very honest here at this point. I always wanted to be on one of your shows, and I'm glad that you pulled me in this show, and I'm very happy.
Okay, so I want to do one thing right now. Baduja, I'll tell you one thing. When Srinidhi and Srihari sing songs, if it's the same song, they sound alike. It's almost identical.
Yeah.
They stay to the tune and the beats also.
Yeah.
So I want to know, is there a song you guys want to sing for us together?
Okay.
What song?
Bro?
What song do you think? Don't ask which one, bro. You must know him already.
Yeah.
You're putting you to test right now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Which song?
Hum a song.
Hum a song, okay.
One of you think the song, the other one has to hum it. Hum it.
Hum it. H-U-M.
Sorry,
hum.
by mistake something else came out.
Yes. Please.
Okay, bro, go.
ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे.
That's so
sweet.
That's so sweet and very nice song you picked. In fact, I would actually end this particular show today with that because I think what you guys share is something more than just siblings.
Yeah.
You guys are great friends.
Yeah.
And that's wonderful. And thank you so much for sharing that love with us on air with all our bandhus.
Yeah.
And for being such wonderful sports.
And I am so proud because I can tell them apart.
Huh?
I can tell who's who. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, and I have a distinguishing feature.
Excuse me, unfortunately, I can't.
We're really grateful to have bandhus and the family and friends like you all, and it definitely makes a lot.
बस कर पक्के रुलाएगा क्या मुझे? I love you too, bro. Bros,
जल्दी नहीं रोना.
Definitely. Achha, by the way, I just want to tell you one thing. I cannot tell you guys apart because both of you are equally good looking and sing the same way.
Yeah.
Wonderful voices, wonderful human beings, and excellent. And thank you for coming on air with us.
And thank you so much for calling in,
Thank
Srinidhi.
you.
This is, we don't know, we are not twins, but I'm going to tell you this is serendipitous.
Yes.
Because
We thought of it.
we never imagined.
Yeah, we thought of it. though.
We thought that it would be nice if you called in. But
And you called.
And you called.
That's connection, bro.
Of course, yeah, indeed, that's connection.
All right. Thank you so much, you guys. Love you guys. Thank you
All
so
right,
much.
thank
Have a
you.
beautiful
Thank
rest of the
you.
day.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.
And of course, baje, इसी के साथ we're going to be signing off from our Double Trouble Tuesdays. So, Faldrani, क्या कर रही है तू यार?
मैं गाना लगा
हाँ
रही थी।
लगा रही है. तो इसी के साथ बारह बोलते हैं हम लोग.
हाँ.
हम लोग मिलेंगे आपको कल सवेरे again morning Badujan with our Good Morning Bay. Don't forget to tune in. अभी बोलेंगे हम लोग good night.
शब्बा खैर.
And a प्यार भरा.
वाह.
तोड़ेंगे दम मगर